let's talk about the Nike Dunk High University Chenille Safety Orange. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Let's go. Man, your boy is back. Man, I ain't gonna even lie, I've been slacking. Your boy got comfortable, got lazy. I've been dropping shorts the past 2 months. I'm like, man, I gotta get back, man, doing these videos. I appreciate the ones that subscribe. Still, you know, even though I ain't been dropping videos, I appreciate the ones that been rocking with me. You see, I got my background. I'm trying to change it up a little bit. I'm having technical difficulties with my mic. You know what I'm saying? So your boy got the trucker Bluetooth, and yeah, I drive trucks. But yeah, man. Hopefully the audio come out fine. But these shoes right here been on my radar for about 3 to 4 months, and I seen this shoe, I think on StockX about 3-4 months ago, and I'm like, man, it's going for about $100. Damn, I gotta get them. And I could have got them a long time ago, but shit just been coming up, all kind of shit, you know. Damn, you know, I'm gonna get them. I just don't know when. So your boy finally pulled the trigger, I think on the 16th, and they just got in today. I think today is the 21st. I think today's 21st. That's fast, man. They got to fast. But there's something about this shoe that I like, man. I say, damn, this shoe bad, man. I gotta get this bitch, man. This motherfucker look. So when I open the box, man, I hope I feel the same. I hope they look good in person, like I seen them on the site. The retail price on this shoe is $110. They came out, according to StockX, they came out September 22nd, 2022. I got them for $95, and that's not bad for a retail $110. They below retail, so I'm very, very happy with this purchase. And as you can see, the boy's still sipping. Ciroc. Cheers. Whew. Shit. All right, let's go. When it comes to Jordan 1s and Nike Dunks, I always go 12. I'm size 11, but for some reason it's that toe box, man, that be fucking me up, so I go size 12. My StockX receipt. Alright, let's see. I gotta get my son. Trey, what you think? Honest opinion. $95? Safety orange, Dookie Brown at the bottom.
Yeah, those are hard.
Look at this material right here. They look like, they feel like a bumper or something. What that is? Damn. Woo. But you like low, you don't like high. Low. Well, Jimmy said he liked it. Especially for 95, you can't beat that, man. But let's go ahead and go with the shoe. So the outsole, it look like a Dookie Brown, peanut butter brown. What y'all say? Then you got your white right here, midsole. And then you got your black in orange. My bad. Safety orange. Leather. Did they give us some more shoestrings? Damn, just the oranges? Okay. Well. Yeah, so we don't have no extra shoestrings, y'all. Just these safety orange shoestrings. But I mean, shit, it look good. And then you got your Nike check right here on the outer side of the shoe and the inner side of the shoe. And this feels like a rug, man, like a carpet or something, man. This shit, I don't know, man. The boys slept on this, man. I think they sitting ducks, man. Cause I was on YouTube and I seen these sitting on the shelf, man. So, then you got yellow right there, the Nike check. You got yellow right there. Then you have black going around, stitch. That's stitched. They should have gave us some black shoestrings, man. But the insole white. I don't know if y'all can see that insole white. But man, I'm very, 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 very happy with this purchase, man. Ooh wee! Hey, I gotta get up. Let's see how they look on feet. So your boy just came from downstairs, tried them on, and I like them. I like how they look on feet. You know, clean, man. I mean, shit, $95. I see some, a couple of guys, a couple of people came after me, got size 12. I think they paid 85, 88 or 85, and that's even better. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, yeah, man, your boys mess with dunks, man. But only high top. I'm a high top guy. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm a high top guy. But yeah, these are dope. They dope. I get these I say 6 out of 10. So what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. Alright? I'm out. Peace.